Vice President Constantine Chiwenga is presiding over the prestigious International Business Conference (IBC) at the 2025 Zimbabwe International Trade Fair (ZITF) in Bulawayo. Sanabira mashikoblanyi kwa vana vansi awa Chiwenga o premier the ZITF Business Conference no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita mana pa mobile commissions. The IBC, a flagship economic gathering that brings together top tier thought leaders, industrial captains, policy experts, and government leaders, yes, become a strategic platform for charting Zimbabwe's economic resurgence. This year, it unfolds under the theme Revitalizing Industrialization for Zimbabwe's Economic Resurgence. Vice President Constantine Chiwenga will take center stage, leading critical discussions on individual revival, trade integration, technological innovation, and global financing. His leadership at his high-level forum comes at a time when Zimbabwe is seeking renewed direction. The event also spotlighted Bulawayo, the seat of kings and queens, reaffirming its historical role as Zimbabwe's industrial capital. Welcoming delegates, ministers of state for Bulawayo Provincial Affairs Judith Ngube applauded the Vice President's presence, underscoring how ZITF has become a beacon of economic hope for the city and the nation. This conference symbolizes our collective push and transforms Zimbabwe into an industrial powerhouse, said Ngube. The Vice President's presence underlines government's serious commitment to positioning Bulawayo at the center of Zimbabwe's re-industrialization. Tomash panobuda panapa nguva ina tikona kuti aiwa kuya kwaita VP Constantine Chiwenga uchipresida over the ZITF panguva ine kusimudza mafans, just because people they are sympathetic varikuya panguva ine vachisupporta VP Constantine Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti mudii mazope chitwe chipira comment section medu, kana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.